I'm Shankar Rajput. Today's date 16th of May 2021. My today's topic name is the type of constructor. Constructor in Java. In Java, a constructor is the block of the code similar to the methods. It is the called when a instance of the class is created uh, at the time of the calling constructor. Memory memory for the object is the allocated in the memory. Uh, it is it is the special type of the method which is the use for the intelligence of the object. Every time of the object is the created using the new keyword at the list of one constructor is called uh, it is called a default constructor if there is the non-constructor available in the class. Uh, if such case of the compiler the provide a default constructor by the default. Uh, there are two type of the constructor constructor in Java: non-argument constructor and the parameterized constructor. It is the called the constructor because is the constructor the value of value at the time of the object creation. It is the non-necessary to write of the constructor for the class. It is the use because Java compiler created a default constructor if your class doesn't have any. A rule of the creating Java constructor. There are two rules depend of the constructor. First is the constructor name must be same as the class name. Second is the a constructor must have no explicit return type. Third is the a Java constructor cannot be abstract, static, final, and synchronized. Uh, um, we can use the access modifier visual the directly constructor is uh, con- control the object the creating creation. In the other words, we can have the provided public of the default constructor in Java. Next type is the type of constructor. Uh, there are two type of the constructor in Java. First is the default constructor, non-argument constructor. Second is the parameterized constructor. Uh, uh, Java default constructor. Java constructor default constructor. A constructor is called the default constructor when is the doesn't have any parameters. Syntax for the default constructor class name. Uh, Example of the default constructor. It is the explain of the as the creating the non-argument constructor in the bytecode of the will uh, the time of the object creation. The Java program the creating in the call of class by the creating a default constructor by one the methods system out rental creating parameters by in the creation main method public static void main string argument uh, bike one is equal to bike one uh, 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 rule of the there is non-constructor in the class. Uh, Compiler automatically creating a default constructor. What is the purpose of the default constructor? The The default constructor is used to the provide the default value of the object like uh, zero, null, etc. Thank you for listening.